everyone, my name is Arvind Kumar. As promised, we will have a math today, that is SCM versus logistics. Now to discuss about the differences between SCM and logistics, we should first of all know what is SCM and what is logistics. Now logistics is all about movement of goods from point of origin to the point of consumption. To know about logistics in detail, you can just subscribe my channel and you will get the list of videos in which you can see all about supply chain management and logistics. Just go through that video and you can easily know what is logistics in detail. Once we are okay with what is logistics, let's discuss about SCM, that is supply chain management. Supply chain management is the planning and management of 4 activities, that is procurement, sourcing, conversion and logistics management. Let's discuss about procurement first. Procurement is all about procuring the raw materials for production. For example, I am manufacturing this shirt. I need the raw materials like this button, this cloth, threads. So these all things I need to manufacture this shirt. In order to manufacture this shirt, I need to procure these raw materials. So the process is called procurement. Now if I talk about sourcing, sourcing is selecting the source of the raw materials, or we can say from which supplier we will hire which raw materials. Deciding that is called sourcing. Next is conversion. Conversion is all about converting the raw materials into the finished goods. If I say raw material is anything that is that is in the form of raw, or that is in the raw state, right? And the finished goods is something that is ready to use product. We can call this button as a raw material, and we can call this shirt is the ready to use material, that is finished goods. Or we can take another example, that is if I am a manufacturer of a car, so steel, aluminium, copper, glass, rubber, these are all the raw materials that I need to manufacture a car, or many more other raw materials also. So when I convert these raw material through a manufacturing process into a car is a finished goods that is ready to use, and the whole process of converting these raw materials into a finished goods is called conversion. When I talk about logistics management is just the management of all those functions, all those activities that we do in logistics is the logistics management. So now we are clear with the thought what is supply chain management. It is just the planning and management of all these 4 activities that we have just discussed, that is procurement, sourcing, conversion and logistics management. So once we are clear with these 2 terms, that is supply chain management and logistics, let's discuss about the difference between them. Supply chain management, as we look into the definition, the last activity that we call logistics management. So we can easily conclude somewhere logistics is the part of supply chain management. Logistics is a narrow concept and supply chain management is a vast concept. Let's talk about the differences in activities that we do in SCM and the activities that we do in logistics. Activities of SCM are procurement, sourcing, conversion and logistics management. And activities of logistics are order processing, inventory management and control, warehousing, transportation and value-added services. If you want to know in detail about the activities of logistics or the functions of logistics, you can go through my video functions of logistics. Over there in depth I have discussed these functions. Now let's discuss about types of supply chain and types of logistics. Types of supply chain are MTO, MTS and CTO. MTO is made to order, MTS is made to stock, CTO is configured to order or customized to order. And types of logistics are inbound logistics, outbound logistics and reverse logistics. So this is all about the difference between supply chain management and logistics. Thank you.